There's a real-life zombie apocalypse, but it's happening to ants. Deep in the rainforest, a fungus called Ophiocordyceps infects an ant's brain. Once inside, it hijacks the ant's nervous system, forcing it to climb high up on a leaf or tree. Then the fungus makes the ant bite down so hard it can't let go. Slowly, the fungus grows out of the ant's body, sprouting a stalk that releases more spores, ready to infect other ants below. It's gruesome, it's terrifying, and it's 100% real. This zombie fungus has evolved with incredible precision, targeting only specific ant species. So next time you hear about zombies, remember they already exist in nature. Creepy, right?